Did you see the Moto P30? It almost looks the same as an iPhone 10. I have not. Let's take a look at that phone. What the fuck? Really? Motorola, I like you. I shill you. I think you're a good company. Why the fuck are you doing this? Oh my god. Wow. Why?
Same thing.
You make it so hard to shill you. Let me guess, no user removable battery. Like, you copied all the bad shit, didn't you? Tiny 3,000 milliamp hour battery. So you got a big phone with a tiny battery that you can't remove. You got the fucking notch at the top. Tell me you have a micro SD card slot. Or at least I have a micro SD card slot. Let's see, do you have liquid resistance? Or did you get rid of that too? You got rid of the... No, where is the IP rating? Give me a liquid... Or did you copy that? Main camera... 1080 video, 1080p at 30. Oh my god. So what is this like thing like? Tell me this is 100. 300 euros? 300. Tell me that's EUR. Oh god, $346 for this piece of junk? What does this phone have that makes up for the fact that they made it look like an iPhone 10, which is a very shitty phone? Man. I like Motorola. Like the Moto G, quality stuff. But why did you do this? Oh no. Lenovo has a notch. Motorola Power has a notch. Huawei has a notch. Ah.
Nokia has a notch.
Paul, look at this shit. Look at how all the new phones are being made. Motorola One Power. Look at this.
Why?
iPhone 10. Huawei P Smart. iPhone 10.
Why?
What the fuck? This is not nice design. Nobody wants this shit.
Everybody made
Oh my god, Lenovo too. No. No, I used to defend you. God, why'd you do this, you stupid fucks? Nobody wants this shit. Daniel, you want this stuff at the top of your phone?
No.
Do you want this at the top of your phone?
No.
No, I
have
don't.
a Samsung.
I don't want a notch. I don't want an
I
edge.
want that on top of my phone. I want bezel instead of notch.
I want a bezel. I want the phone to not fucking crack when I drop it. I want to be able to take the phone. This is what people want. I want to be able to take the phone, drop it from here to here without it cracking. That's what I want. I don't want a bezel or a notch or any of this horse shit. Stop copying Apple. You're not going to get their sales if you copy their shit. Copy the way that they brainwash their user base into thinking that every flaw that has ever occurred with any of their devices is the user's fault and not the company's fault. That's what you want to copy. Don't copy the notch. Don't copy the lack of liquid proofing. Don't copy removing the micro SD card slot. Don't copy gluing the battery in. Don't copy removing the headphone port. Copy the things that matter. Copy the way that they indoctrinate their user base like a cult to believe that if they have bad reception, they're holding the phone wrong. And figure out how to indoctrinate their user base to believe that their solid-state drive and their battery should be glued or soldered into their computer, and that if their battery dies, that they're using it wrong. Figure out how to get people to be okay with spending $1,500 in a computer that has one fucking port that if you want to be able to use, you have to spend $70 to $80 in an Apple dongle for, rather than just, you know, like including it with the computer, putting real fucking ports on it like everybody else. Figure out how to brainwash people. If you can copy that, you will be successful. You will not be successful as a company. I guarantee it, by copying the notch, or the aluminum, or the little LED in the front, or taking away the headphone jack. These things are symptoms of the fact that they are able to brainwash their user base into buying anything that they put out. Copy the root cause. Don't copy the symptoms. Copying the symptoms is no good. Look, every single one of these phones, they all look the same.
Except for Samsung.
Oh my god, Xiaomi has one too. No, not you two. Not you two.
Yeah.
Really? Xiaomi. Asus Zenfone. Nokia, oh god. Paul, look, it's all of them. Look at this. Xiaomi, look at where the cameras are and look at where the notch is. No button on the bottom.
So do these
Asus Zenfone.
Do these things fit in iPhone cases?
Oh my god, Asus Zenfone. Look, same shit. Camera in the same spot. No button on the bottom. Notch. Nokia 6. Oh.
Not Nokia. No!
You used to make good things. You made the 3310. The fuck are you doing?
Oh, what the hell?
Huawei P Smart Plus. Everybody is the same. Motorola P30. Another notch. This is a fucking disease. It's like every time Apple does something that's dumb, everybody just copies it. Rather than copy the stranglehold that they have on their audience, you just copy the shit that they're able to force down their audience's throat by having that instead of copying the stranglehold. Why? There's as much diversity here as there is in a fucking college campus's professor's lounge. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This is worse than talking to all the sociology professors when I went to university. Look at this. Every single one is the exact same. Stop it. Stop it. What's the point of existing in a world where everybody's just turning into Apple? What's the point? Why do I exist? What do I live for? Not this. Not like this. Not this way. Not like this.
Ah.